Fell on this man's car. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh no.
Is your car on it?
No, it's not my car. Oh no.
Boy, if it ain't one thing, it's another. But you know something, man?
No, it's not my
Oh,
car.
they're still lucky.
Yeah.
They're still lucky. That tree that...
Well, lucky nobody was walking
That
past
tree
it.
that was on
Who?
our gate, man.
Huh?
That tree that was right there on our
Yeah.
side. That tree cost us so much money.
Really?
It's unbelievable, man. It's unbelievable.
Oh.
For long on this wire. It's tear up the sidewalk.
Yeah.
The
Insurance.
the city call us $2,000 to fix it. Ain't nobody has a fucking tree.
Yeah.
They cut it, look, yeah.
You pay the concrete, and then they took it home and replenished it. And then when the tree falls, they say it's your fault.
You know, I'm gonna tell you something, man.
This one.
No, your electric wire is okay. He's over here.
No, I'm talking about for their house, because their electric is down. This one here is electric. Their electric is under the street for this house.
Oh. Some thieves call themselves constantly.
Yeah, well, it's much.
Isn't that $50 okay?